Top political leaders from various states cast their votes accompanied by their families as the third phase of polling for the Lok Sabha elections commenced on Tuesday morning. Union Home Minister Amit Shah cast his vote in Ahmedabad on Tuesday. Shah was accompanied by his wife Sonal Shah, son Jay Shah and other family members at the polling station. The Home Minister had earlier accompanied Prime Minister Modi as he cast his vote in Gandhinagar in the morning.
मैं आज के लोकतंत्र के इस पर्व के अवसर पर सभी देशवासियों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और फिर से एक बार पुरजोश वोटिंग कर लोकतंत्र के इस पर्व में हिस्सा लेने की अपील करता हूं।
After casting their votes, Amit Shah and his family visited a temple as part of the tradition he has followed on every voting day. Voting is being held for 25 out of 26 seats in the state since 7 a.m. The ruling BJP has won Surat unopposed. As per poll officials, a total of 4.97 crore persons comprising 2.56 crore males, 2.41 crore females and 1,534 from the third gender will vote in close to 51,000 polling booths in Gujarat. Sitting MP and NCP Sharad Pawar group candidate from Baramati parliamentary constituency, Supriya Sule, also cast her vote with her family at the Remand Home polling centre in Baramati.
I'm here to serve the people and I have faith in the people of the entire constituency who will bless me with their vote to serve them for the next 5 years.
Sharad Pawar's daughter Supriya Sule is pitted against her sister-in-law Sunetra Pawar from the NCP Ajit Pawar faction. A total of 2.09 crore persons are eligible to vote for 258 candidates in the third phase, for which 23,036 polling centres have been set up in Maharashtra. Former Karnataka Chief Minister and BJP's Haveri candidate Basavaraj Bommai on Tuesday visited a temple along with his family before casting his vote as the third phase of polls began in the state.
I request all the voters compulsory to come, braving the scorching heat, come outside, vote and celebrate democracy and do the service to the nation.
Queues were seen at polling booths in most of the Lok Sabha segments in the northern districts of the state, with voters, mostly senior citizens, morning walkers and joggers lining up to cast their votes early, with temperatures expected to rise as the day progresses. Union Minister and BJP candidate from Karnataka's Dharwar, Prahlad Joshi, on Tuesday said that people have already decided to bring the BJP back again, while declaring that the party will win over 400 seats. Joshi, along with his family, cast his vote in Hubli, Karnataka.
एक बार सभी से निवेदन करता हूं, बड़ी मात्रा में वोट कीजिए और जनता जनार्दन निर्णय भी किया है कि तीसरी बार मोदी सरकार लाने का निर्णय भी किया है और 400 बार का भी अक्षरशः अनुष्ठान करने का निर्णय उन्होंने लिया है.
BJP's Prahlad Joshi is pitted against Congress's Vinod Asuti from Karnataka's Dharwar Lok Sabha constituency. Polling is underway for the third phase of Lok Sabha elections in 14 segments on Tuesday. The state has a total of 28 Lok Sabha constituencies. The first phase of polling in the other 14 seats in most of the southern and coastal districts was held on April 26th. BJP veteran and former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan on Tuesday cast his vote in Vidisha with his family during the third phase of polling in the state. Chauhan was accompanied by his sons Kartikeya and Kunal Chauhan and wife Sadhna Singh.
उनका दिल्ली जाने का जो लक्ष्य है, दिल्ली जाने का लक्ष्य केवल उनका नहीं है, हम सब वोटरों का है, हम सब कार्यकर्ताओं का है और निश्चित रूप से हम उनको भेजेंगे तो ऐतिहासिक मतों से भेजेंगे। मैं सभी वोटरों से कहना चाहूँगा, हमारा लोकतांत्रिक अधिकार है, लोकतंत्र का महायज्ञ है, इसमें आहुति डालना हम सबको करना चाहिए, ये हमारी ड्यूटी है।
Shivraj Singh Chauhan urged people to cast their votes and said that votes are the life of a democracy.
मेरा सौभाग्य है कि लोकतंत्र के महा उत्सव में मैंने भाग लिया है, अपने मताधिकार का प्रयोग किया है। वोट लोकतंत्र की आत्मा है, लोकतंत्र के प्राण है और सभी भाई बहनों से मेरा निवेदन है कि अपना वोट जरूर डालें, मतदान जरूर करें।
Chauhan is contesting from Vidisha constituency, a saffron fortress that he has represented 5 times. He is facing Congress candidate Pratap Bhanu Sharma. Voting began Tuesday morning for 9 of the 29 Lok Sabha seats in Madhya Pradesh in the third phase of the general elections. Altogether, 1.77 crore voters will decide the fate of 127 candidates who are contesting from Morena, Bhind, SC Reserved, Gwalior, Guna, Sagar, Vidisha, Bhopal, Rajgarh and Baitul ST Reserved seats. These 9 Lok Sabha constituencies are spread across 19 districts. Of the 29 Lok Sabha seats in Madhya Pradesh, polling for 12 seats concluded in 2 phases on April 19th and 26th. The remaining 8 seats will go to polls in the 4th phase on May 13th.